Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV's Euro NCAP crash test results. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained stable, and both the driver and passenger received good protection for their knees and femurs. Mercedes ensured that all sizes and seating positions were well covered in terms of safety. Interestingly, in the full-width rigid barrier test, while most body areas showed good protection, the EQE SUV came across as a slightly aggressive partner in frontal collisions, raising some concerns. Moving on to the side barrier test, the EQE SUV scored maximum points, with all critical body regions receiving high protection. In the more challenging side pole test, the protection remained strong, but with some slight drops to adequate levels. Control of excursion was decent, but not perfect. The EQE has measures to reduce occupant injuries during side impacts, and while they performed well, the center airbag did not offer consistent protection for all occupant sizes. The vehicle's whiplash protection in both front and rear seats was rated well, and just like the Smart M3, the EQE SUV features advanced safety technologies like e-call and post-crash braking to prevent secondary collisions. One interesting safety note, Mercedes demonstrated that if the car were submerged, the doors could be opened within 2 minutes, though electric windows may not operate long enough for an escape. What do you think of the Mercedes EQE SUV's safety performance? Leave a comment and tell us which vehicle you'd like to see in our next crash test video. Also, feel free to share any ideas on how we can make these videos more informative for you. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash tests, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.